Finding the right rollator walker isn't just about getting around, it's about getting your independence back without feeling like you're pushing a shopping cart. Let's find the one that actually works for you. I'm breaking down the top 6 rollator walkers with seats on the market right now based on real testing. I'll tell you exactly what's great, what's terrible, and which one is actually worth your money. And stick around for my number 1 pick because it completely changes the game if you like spending time outdoors.
6. Drive Medical Rollator Walker. Well, this is probably the one you've seen literally everywhere. It's the standard, basic model you can pick up at almost any medical supply store, and it features a steel frame, a padded seat, and an under-seat storage pouch for your belongings. When I was testing this one out, the first thing I noticed was the weight. I mean, it's definitely solid, which is nice for feeling grounded when you're standing still in your kitchen. But pushing it around all afternoon? That weight really starts to work against you, especially if you have to lift it over a curb or maneuver it up a small step at your front door. The seat itself is just okay. It is padded, but it's honestly quite narrow. If you just need to sit for 2 minutes while waiting in line at the pharmacy, it does the job fine. But here's the catch. If you plan on resting for a longer period, it gets uncomfortable pretty fast, and the unpadded backrest bar digs a bit right into your spine. Then there's the folding mechanism. You pull up on the strap under the seat to fold it, which is easy enough, but it doesn't lock into place once it's folded. Unless you tie it together yourself, it naturally wants to flop back open when you're trying to awkwardly wrestle it into the trunk of your car. 5. VOCIC Walkers. Now, this one is a step up in terms of looks, offering an ergonomic design with height adjustments and a much lighter aluminum frame compared to the heavy steel we just talked about. Let me explain the setup here. The handles are designed to fit the natural shape of your hands, which is a big deal if you have arthritis or wrist pain. When I took this out for a spin, I really appreciated how easily I could adjust the height to match my posture without needing any special tools. But it's not all smooth sailing. While the frame is lighter, the wheels are strictly designed for smooth indoor surfaces or perfectly paved sidewalks. The moment I tried taking it across a mildly bumpy lawn or some gravel, the wheels jittered and got stuck, forcing me to push way harder than I wanted to. The seating situation is another mixed bag. The seat is definitely wider than the Drive Medical, which is a relief, and the backrest is a soft, flexible strap rather than a hard bar. However, the brakes feel weirdly stiff. You have to squeeze them with a surprising amount of force to get the walker to lock completely before you sit down, which honestly made me a little nervous on inclines. The VOCIC is a stylish and lightweight choice for indoor use, and it folds down much flatter than our number 6 spot. 4. HOMLAND Foldable Rollator Walker. Now we're getting into the really good stuff. This model completely rethinks how a walker should fold, featuring a side-to-side folding mechanism that is incredibly space-saving. Here's what matters with the HOMLAND. Instead of folding front to back like an ironing board, it collapses inward like an accordion. This means when it's folded, it can literally stand up on its own. I tested this by sliding it behind a restaurant chair and into a narrow closet, and it fit perfectly without tipping over. The stability on this model is fantastic. It has a reinforced aluminum frame that feels super secure, yet it's incredibly light to lift. Walking with it feels fluid, and the 8-inch wheels glide effortlessly over indoor tile and outdoor pavement alike, absorbing a lot of the shock that usually travels up to your wrists. Let's talk about the seat. It uses a breathable mesh fabric instead of that sticky vinyl you usually see. I mean, on a hot day, that makes a huge difference. Plus, because the seat is fabric, it folds right up with the frame, meaning you don't have a rigid plastic board digging into your back when you carry it. The HOMLAND is a massive upgrade for anyone who travels, goes to restaurants, or has a smaller car trunk. It's practical, it's comfortable, and it finally solves the annoying storage problems that most traditional walkers have.
3. AKOASM Heavy-Duty Rollator Walker. A lot of walkers claim to be heavy-duty, but they just add weight without adding strength.
The AKOASM actually delivers exactly what it promises for users who need a wider, more supportive base. The frame on this thing is an absolute tank, but in the best way possible. It has a significantly higher weight capacity than the others we've looked at, and the moment you lean your weight onto the handles, you can feel that it isn't going to wobble or give way. What I loved during testing were the massive wheels. They are rugged and wide, making them perfect for navigating uneven terrain. Whether it was cracked pavement, thick grass in the park, or dirt paths, this walker rolled right over it without me feeling like I was going to tip forward. The seat is genuinely impressive too. It's an extra-wide, heavily padded cushion that feels closer to an actual chair than a temporary resting spot. If you're at a grandkid's soccer game or waiting a long time at the doctor's office, you can sit here for an hour and actually be comfortable, supported by a thick, padded backrest. To wrap up the AKOASM, it is the ultimate choice if stability and comfort are your top priorities. It is slightly wider than average, so you'll want to measure your interior doorways. But for outdoor use and pure, unshakable support, it is completely worth it.
Planet Walk Super Lightweight Rollator Walker. If the previous walker was a tank, this one is a sports car. It is shockingly light, designed specifically for people who are tired of lifting heavy metal frames. When the box arrived, I honestly thought it was empty. The aluminum frame is engineered to shave off every unnecessary ounce. Lifting this into the back of an SUV is practically effortless, which is a total game changer if you live alone or travel independently. The maneuverability is where the Planet Walk truly shines. Because it's so light, steering it through tight spaces, narrow hallway corners, or crowded grocery store aisles is a breeze. It responds instantly to your movements, and the hidden brake cables mean you won't snag the walker on doorknobs or furniture. The seat is simple but effective. It's a flexible material that holds you securely, and the braking system is incredibly smooth. You barely need any grip strength to lock the wheels in place, making it safe and easy to secure before you sit down to rest. The Planet Walk is my top recommendation for anyone who values independence and travel above all else. It removes the physical barrier of struggling with your mobility aid, letting you just grab it, toss it in the car, and go live your life.
Helavo all-terrain upright walker with seat. Let me tell you, this is not just a walker. It completely changes the way you move. Instead of hunching over standard hand grips, this model features tall, padded armrests that support your forearms. Here's why that matters so much. When I tested the Helavo, my posture was totally transformed. You stand straight up, looking forward instead of down at your feet. This takes all the pressure off your lower back and your wrists. If you suffer from back pain when walking, this upright design is an absolute lifesaver. Then there are the all-terrain, flat-free tires. They are huge and incredibly durable. I took this thing on a hiking trail, over roots, and through thick gravel, and it handled it like a champ. The shock absorption is fantastic, meaning you don't feel every single bump rattling your bones. The seat is spacious and comfortable, complete with a supportive backrest. And it even comes with thoughtful accessories like a cane holder and a really nice detachable storage bag. It's clear that whoever designed this actually listened to what people need when they leave the house for the day. The Helavo all-terrain is an investment in your posture, your comfort, and your freedom to go absolutely anywhere. It is, without a doubt, the best rollator walker on the market today.